This video lesson uses how to use an online C language compiler. If you do not have any C language compiler on your machine, or maybe you have some other limitations on having the C language compiler on your machine, then you can avail the online C language compiling facility such as ideone.com. Of course, there are many online compiling utilities or websites are available for free use. However, I shall introduce how to use this ideone.com only, as I am using the same since many years. You can use this service from your mobile also. In fact, you can create free account on this server and host all of your programs, and they can be easily shared across communities. Maybe if you have any difficulty with a code sample, you can simply send the link of the code to me such that I can check and advise during this course progress. Another important aspect of this site is that it supports many compilers, not only C language compiler. The C language compiler available uses GNU C compiler toolchain, which is industry standard and is akin to popular compilers such as Dev C compiler, CodeBlock C compiler, etc. Just open any of your favorite browser and go to ideone.com site. We have used Firefox browser. You can use any browser of your interest. You will get the following screen with a C language template program with simply main program. This happened to me as I have used C program during my last visit to this site. You can enter your C program after the line your code goes here. In fact, you can select in which language you are going to enter your program also here. You can select the language. When press language selection list item, then we get the list of languages in which we can write our program. You can enter your C program after the line your code goes here. The editor available here is context sensitive. You can off this feature if you do not like this. Check the options somewhere downside of the editor. You can enter required input to the program in the text area under Enter Input, STI, underneath the editor. Now, you can click the button Run It. By chance you have typed any mistakes in your code, program will not compile and run. Rather, we will have a list of compilation errors reported in the error screen, dowsed of the editor, and then we get the screen as shown in the slide. Now, you can opt Edit option to edit our code, then continue executing. After editing, we can click the button IDE1 it. When our program successfully runs, it takes input given in STI text area and the result is displayed in output area. You can check up the output by clicking this option. We can run the program any number of times as we want. We can change input of the program by simply clicking Input option and changing the new input set of values. After changing input set of values, in order to run the program, we can press the option IDE1 IT. As mentioned earlier, you can create your own account on this server and store all of your programs. This can be done by signing the account here by filling your details. Hope you have enjoyed ideone.com. Bye. Bye. This video lesson uses how to use an online C language compiler. If you do not have any C language compiler on your machine or maybe